Now we are all getting age, right? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. In the early age, young age, we are all very active. We do a lot of activity, right? And we get recognized in the industries or in our society. And we do a lot of in work-wise, we improve a lot. So whatever the activity they do, that good habits or bad habits, whatever, how the body is helping to maintain the system. Body is having a capacity to re-engineer itself, right? If a person is having a smoking, if a person is having some other bad habit, up to certain age, body will re-engineer itself. It will try to rectify the damage and it will try to form a new cells and everything. After some time, body also having the threshold, right? Whatever the bad activities, not only I'm talking about some certain habit, not protecting ourselves at the workplace, also one of the bad habits. After 40, after 45 or 50 years, the person will develop lot of respiratory diseases, lot of health illness. How we are getting protected ourselves? Body defense system. It's like respiratory defense system, right? First defense system, this all inbuilt, God-given protection. So first one is nose hair, which is the smallest hair, or I can say the cluster of hair inside our nose, which will filter some certain contaminations like dust level and all. It will get filtered. Second protection defense system is the mucus blanket. It is a semi-solid kind of things which is in the respiratory system. What all the dust or what all the particles crossed over nose hairs, it will get absorbed or it will get stick with this mucus blanket, so it will not allow the particulate, the matter to enter in the lung system. This is cough reflection. Cough reflection is the very important body defense system. If a person is having some cough, means that environment is not good for him, or he may already develop some deficiency in his body. Fourth is very important, is that is the final protective mechanism, cilia. Cilia is nothing but it's like a grass moving on the breeze, like it will always beat outside. Whatever the dust or other contaminants cross the nose hairs and mucus blanket and cough reflection, when it touches the cilia, it will get grown up. So till 40 or 45, this body defense systems will work very well. So whatever the action we do without proper PP or without taking care of ourselves, whatever the action we do, so this body defense system will take care, but slowly it will get declined. So that is why very important. What are all the protective respirator we have? That protective respirator will save this body defense system first. Then only it will save our other. So if these four body defense systems are right, the person will be very much healthy. This will work only for non-toxic particulate matter. This body system cannot protect any toxic or gases or other web. This is called healthy cilia, right? So this is healthy cilia. When it is too thick, it never allow any dust or particulate to penetrate inside. But what will happen after some time, after years together? See, respiratory disease will not happen, will not get created in one day. Year by year, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. Suddenly one corrosive vapor is going inside or some toxic chemical is going inside, it will damage the cilia. So when the cilia, which is the fourth protection body defense system, it will allow all contaminated to enter into the lungs. So that is why it is very, very important to protect our respiratory system.
உடல் நலம், பாதுகாப்பு, உணர்வு நலம், health, safety, emotion.